Good morning. Bike tayo ngayon. Time check 5:40. It's Saturday. It's rest day. Sa lahat ng mga pauwi pa lang, mag-iingat po tayo lahat. At sa mga may pasok at papasok pa lang, ganun din. Okay, so mabalik tayo dun sa usaping cycling and running. Pagkwentuhan lang natin kasi maraming mga nag-post na later, ano na lang, mamaya pagka hindi na masyadong busy yung street. Morning! Morning! So, hindi naman bawas ng lalaki pagka lalaki yung ibang babati ka na kalsada na hindi mo kakilala. So, it's a good way to start a day. Greet them. Good morning. Kung hapon man, good afternoon, kung gabi, any time of the day. So it's a better, way of communicating and making people's day better. So this is my routine. Pag nag-bike ako and then pag tumatakbo, papunta tayo ngayon. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Forest Lake. Ang ikot doon and then pabalik na kasi uulan. Mukhang wrong timing. Yung papaligiran is mukhang uulan siya. But it's okay. So one quick spin, recovery sa legs natin, and then let's call it a day. Hopefully di tayo abutan ng ulan. So may nabasa kasi ako sa Facebook na parang making fun of sa mga nakikiusok sa running. This is actually a good conversation or usapin pagdating sa cycling and running, kasi lahat pwede tumakbo, lahat pwede magbike. So what's wrong with that? I'm not making this argument to favor me or nakakainis lang sa ibang tao kasi, like for example, I do cycling, nagra-ride ako every now and then, occasionally, and for all you know po, even before pandemic nagbabike na ako. So, and why not itry ko din yung running. So what I did was running and then recovery ko is in cycling. So what's wrong with that? If I wanna make myself healthy, diba? It just don't make any sense kasi na mabigas sa truck sa likod. Tawid na tayo. So yun, may bagong 7-Eleven dito sa amin kasi hindi pa operational dahil may problema yung ating papers. So I don't know sa mentality ng iba, but why make fun of people that want them, or maybe gusto nila maging healthy, maybe it's not too late for them to start running or cycling. I don't mind kung sinasali ako doon, yeah, it's okay. Anyways, it's my health, hindi naman sa kanila. I'm not making this video to make me, to make myself relevant, but morning. Pero hopefully magets nyo yung point ng video na to. Para sa iba na iniisip nila is nakikisabay lang yan, nakikiuso. Morning, diba? So okay lang sa akin kasi nakakaintindi ako. But paano dun sa ibang tao na hindi? And what make those people think na nakakapagsabi ng ganun? Are they, are you better than them? Are you healthier than them? So why not? Kung gusto mo rin magbike or kung gusto mo tumakbo, why not?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Muntik na to, muntik na. Nangulog ako sa bitak. Medyo kinabahan ako dyan. Bumilis yung aking heartbeat. Time check tayo, it's 5:55, so dapat ganitong oras is mainit na. Pero mukhang uulan talaga. Sana wag naman. So ayun, balik tayo doon. I don't know if is just making fun of those people or just making jokes of it or making pero nakikita ko kasi nagbabike kasi siya, so I don't mind. So okay, kung nagbabike ka and then ayaw mong tumakbo or involved sa running, it's okay, but don't in front of those people na gusto tumakbo or gustong wanted to be involved sa running community. So mind your own thing and don't mind others, business. Ganun lang. Hindi ako galit dun sa tao na yun or kung sino man yun, but the purpose of this video is to make you aware na maging masaya ka na lang dun sa tao na yun, and kung gusto mo rin, di try mo. That's it. I just wanna enjoy cycling and running. I wanna be healthy. I wanna be physically fit. I'm a dad. I know you're a dad also, so kasi tinignan ko, but just enjoy mo na lang yung pagbabike mo, and then maging masaya ka na lang sa mga taong tumatakbo. Ganun lang. That's it. Hindi ko gustong gawing issue to or what, but gusto ko lang mapag-usapan din. I'm just trying to make this video na dapat noon ko pa ginawa nung nakita ko yung na yan, yung post. Kasi actually hindi lang siya isang tao, marami sila. So parang ewan ko. Morning. So ayun, malapit na tayo sa highway. So dahan-dahan lang kayo pag papasok kayo ng highway. Tignan nyo. And kung pwede kayong tumawid, tawid kayo. So tawid tayo after this motor. So doon tayo pupunta sa kanila. Tawid na tayo habang malayo pa sila. Morning. Dito na tayo sa Forest Lake. Morning. Morning. This is actually where kung saan kami tumatakbo ng misis ko. This is actually a cemetery. So ituturo ko kayo dito kung saan kami tumatakbo. So every morning marami ditong tao. I mean, what's wrong with this? This is the community that we need to take a look at. Walang toxicity. Walang, I mean, everybody's happy. So, see? How cool is that? Morning. So, the route is going that way. But unfortunately, dun sa right side, it's under construction. So, every other day, yung misis ko nandito kasama ko. But for me, I'm here every day cycling in. So here's my friend. Morning bike naman tayo ngayon. So yun. Nice car. Ito yung pwesto namin dito kasi andito si Tatang. So, time check tayo 6:23. Yes sir. But ngayon uwi na tayo ng maaga. It's actually 6:39. Uwi tayo ng maaga kasi uulan yata. Dito na tayo sa sentro dadaan. Ayun, clear. Sabay tawid. Be careful sa pagtawid. Pag masyadong madami yung sasakyan, what I do, nilalakad ko yung bike. Hindi ko na siya sinasampahan. Nilalakad ko siya pagtawid para mas safe. Nakapanigala yung isa. So sa gawing kaliwa ko, ayun yung Save More. Ito naman yung Jollibee. So nasa center na nga tayo. So kung napapansin nyo, yung bike ko wala siyang brake levers. Wala siyang brake levers, but it doesn't mean na wala akong preno. Meron akong brakes. So kung nakikita nyo, pag nag-pedal back ako, back pedal pala, mag-i-engage yung brakes ng bike. And I do have free wheel. May free wheeling yung bike ko. So hindi to fixed gear. Baka iniisip nyo naka-fixed gear ako, hindi. Sige mamaya i-bike check natin. Sabay na natin yan. So ayan, wala akong preno pero I can stop. Okay. So let's make a stop here muna sa 7-Eleven. Alright, pauwi na tayo. At nakasara ang gate. Yun, nasa bahay na tayo. Dito ko natatapusin yung video. Again, this is your Tito, Paragon of the North. Sa lahat na may pasok at papasok pa lang, ingat. At sa mga pauwi galing sa trabaho, ingat din. Peace. This is your Tito. Out.